Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the LED lights brightness. Here we do have the Creative Pebble Nova speakers, and we are now in the Creative application, and here in this application we have to just tap on this lightning button here. To change the brightness level, we have to focus on this global brightness slider. If you go to the left, we can decrease the brightness, and to the right, increase. Let me turn off the lights to show you the difference at the moment, because I turned them off. For example, let me move to some brighter ones. Here, as you can see, we have the LED lights, and now I'm lowering it to 0, and now I increase them up to 100%. That's it, hope it helps and have a nice day, goodbye!